Hi Aquarius, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be looking at your and your person's energies towards each other, what they are thinking about you, how do they see the relationship, obstacles in the situation, their probable outcome, and their actions. Okay, so let's get started with your reading. This is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. If this is not your story, do not try to make it yours. Let's see what's coming up for my Aquarius from 17th till 23rd of January 2022. Aquarius and their person, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. Aquarius. Okay. Okay. So, how do they see you? They see you as the Sun over here. They see you as a person who is. Let me clarify this first. It's a lot with the Sun. So we have the Sun and the Nine of Pentacles. So they really see you as a person who is more into their finances. Like love thing is not for them. So this is how they see you. They see you as an independent person, a person who is more into self-love, self-care, and more into about themselves. You know, like me, myself, kind of a person. So this is how they see you. They see you as a very optimistic person, although you are very positive, but still at the same time they see you that you are really not investing or not giving time to the relationship. You are more into yourself. You are not giving time. Okay, you are not talking to them. So they see that. This is how they see you as somewhere. How do you see them? You see them as the Three of Pentacles. You see that. Let me check whether this is a third party. Six of Swords energy is here. Somewhere you are not, Aquarius, you are not attracted to them. I don't know, but it's coming up like that. It could be that they are at your office, you are going with each other at office, you meet them, but it's like you meet them, you go, you have fun, you eat the food, and all that's it. But I do not see strong love energies in your end. You see them as a good teammate, good person who will help you in many things, who will assist you, like a cooperation kind of a thing. They will cooperate with you. A very good person, you know, a person who is really there for you, and you know that somewhere. But it does not see. It looks to me. I want to clarify one more. Yeah, Ten of Wands. So it feels to me that you are not into this person too much. It's more like you see them as a person who is engrossed in work. Somewhere, this person with whom you are dealing with, Aquarius, for some of you, I feel that they are already gone through some kind of a past issue and they are really healing from their situation, but they really want to be with you at the same time, and as well as they are healing also. So it can be two things they are dealing with. They have a lot of burden, they have a lot of responsibility in their head, and you know they are this person is so positive, but at the same time this person is too much, you know, has too much responsibility. So somewhere you are really just keeping a distance from this person. How do they see the relationship? They see the relationship as Nine of Swords. Um, let's clarify. The World and the King of Cups energy is here. They see the relationship as something serious somewhere, but they think that only one person is more interested in this relationship. This is more like one sided love kind of a thing only. Okay, this is how they see the relationship. They know that somewhere you are not emotionally involved in the relationship the way they are involved. They are really trying hard, although there is burden in their head, there is a lot of things they are going through, but they still want to spend some time with you, Aquarius. And you could be dealing with a Scorpio or another water sign, could be Cancer or Pisces. But yeah, they really want to give a little bit of time and energy, and that is how they really want it from you. They are not in their very good place, but they really want to talk to you. They also need somebody who can listen to them, you know, the way they listen to you. They also want, like in couples, how people listen to each other. This is what they want. They want communication. They want that one should hear when one should listen. One says, the other hears. This is how relationship goes. Okay, so how you see the relationship as is the Eight of Cups. You do not see this relationship going to a very good place with the Justice energy. I feel that somewhere you are into something else. You know, you could be dealing with a divorce case, you could be dealing with something, some past lover, past issues, some trust issues, and you're trying to balance yourself more. You know, your mind and your heart are not balanced, so that's why you are not giving time and energy to this relationship more, and this is the reason. Hmm. Okay, so obstacle they see in the relationship is the Three of Wands. They feel that there is distance and there is no proper communication in this relationship. And that's why they see the obstacle. When the communication happens, the discussion happens, then the relationship starts to build. If you are both already in this relationship with each other, this is not happening. If you are just friends and you are entering somebody wants, like out of you both one person wants, I feel that their energies are more. Okay, so this reading can be vice versa as well, because although what I am telling about you and your person is my way to read. Okay, so for me this is them and this is you. And but if you feel that you are not them, you are this, so just take as it resonates. All right, so yeah, they really feel the distance, a lot of distance, although you might meet every day, but still there is a distance. And the second is there could be a long distance also, so that's why there is no proper communication in the relationship. And you are thinking your obstacle in this relationship is the Three of Swords. This is a hurt, this is a proper, you know, putting a dagger in your heart kind of a situation you have dealt with the, oh my god, with the Queen of Swords. Aquarius being a proper Libra, I don't know, you are behaving like somebody else. Aquarius, it's not your energy so cold, but somewhere you are really cold to your person over here, Aquarius. You do not want to communicate that much the way they are wanting. They want to talk to you more and more, and the more they're wanting to talk to you, the more you are avoiding them. Their action in this situation. Page of Cups, come on. They are really, again, you know, after seeing so much of ignorance from you, they're still wanting to communicate to you. Wow. With whom are you dealing with, Aquarians? Six of Wands. See, they see you as a person who is like liked by many, admired by many, you know, somebody who they really want to win you. Yes, Aquarius, that is what is coming up. So, see, beautiful energies. Wow, I really see this person is all into you, but you nothing. Okay, so with the Ten of Swords, your action towards this relationship, you are just What is going on with you, Aquarius? Oh my god, moon energy with the 10 of swords. It feels like somewhere you are, this is already in your heart, but you are not going to do that because this is the moon energy and you are thinking of ending this relationship, but somewhere something is telling you to not to do right now. Something is, really pushing you. Okay, do not take this step right now. Wait for some more time. Wait, wait, wait. The probable outcome of the situation is the Six of Cups. Wow, isn't this just wow? Let me clarify. Six of Cups. I see reconciliation in the situation with the King of Wands. Yeah, there is a little bit of energies change. So if you will wait, if you're not taking this step right now, and if you wait, so there is a reconciliation. More than reconciliation, this is more like, getting to understand each other, what the other person wants, understanding and listening to the other person also at the same time. So you are giving one more chance somewhere. I feel that, one more chance needs to be given in this relationship, definitely. All right, so that is all from my end, my dear Aquarius. I hope that helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.